Starting off as usual, resetting my hair with water, I went ahead and applied my argan oil mousse to lay down the foundation. I grabbed my non-pulling comb, saturated the product evenly, and then blow dried my hair all back and just slightly to the left to give it some direction. Near the end, I blow dried my hair using the cool setting to close up the hair follicles, and then applied some ocean clay to give my hair that natural look with perfect hold. And for this specific hairstyle, since the ocean clay gives your hair crazy texture, I decided to use only just a little bit, about half a scoop. This way my hairstyle had an even more natural feel to it. Again, I combed it all through with the non-pulling comb because I really like the after effect that the white teeth give my hair. It's a classy look that leaves you with a slightly edgy vibe. Now, at this moment in time, I want to talk about a company called Hims, which is today's sponsor. About 2 weeks ago, they reached out to me and I checked out their hair kit, and right away I knew, since I get a lot of questions regarding this particular subject, that this would be a great brand that I know some of you will find very beneficial to your hair. Now, Hims has all different kinds of kits, from skincare, body performance, to the hair kit, which is what I will be showing you guys. It's an awesome kit for those of you who may be experiencing hair loss. It includes minoxidil, it includes vitamins, shampoo. You know, we live in a day and age where dudes need some medical support, someone to help them out. And a lot of the times, dudes don't want to go to the doctor every month. They don't want to go to the pharmacies every month. They don't want to spend like $200 every month. I mean, like, what the frick, dude? And honestly, I'm sure it can get a little embarrassing as well, talking about things that you may be insecure about, which is why Hims is so dope, because with Hims, you can chat online with a licensed doctor straight from home. Now, when you create your own confidential online profile and complete your online medical evaluation, you will receive personalized medical grade solutions and recommendations for both prescribed and non-prescribed products based on the conversation with a real doctor. And what's great is that Hims cuts out the pharmacy companies and the other middlemen, so that way you save big. And of course, Hims takes your privacy very, very serious, so all of your conversations will be totally confidential. And as an exclusive just for you guys, go to forhims.com/Drexler in the description below. You will be able to receive a month trial of the comprehensive hair kit today for only $5 plus tax. So be sure to jump on that ASAP. Okay, now back to the main topic of this video. Hairstyle number 2. Kicking it off with hairstyle number 2, I'm going to use the foundation we already have from the first hairstyle. This time I'm going to add a little bit more ocean clay, probably another half scoop to equal out 1 full scoop. This will give my hair a little more hold and texture for that messier feel. And me personally, I always suggest applying product from the front to the back, then work your way up. This will help the product to really get into the roots as well. Next, as you guys can see, I'm going to start finger combing my hair for that more, messier texture.
Wow, this shit's crazy.
I also like to create that bumpy look on top by using my individual fingers and combing it back. And for this specific look, I don't really care if a little bit of hair falls to the side. It's all good, it's all part of the look. By the way, I'm going to be giving away 1 free Shampoo product of your choice in the next hair video, which will be posted next week, so be sure to leave a comment below, let me know which hairstyle is your favorite and why, and I'll be selecting 1 random winner. The winners will be announced, like I said, in my next video, so stay tuned. And for the third style. Alright, here we are, the third and final look. I went ahead and grabbed my comb, slicked everything back really nicely, and then after that I used some hairspray. I actually used quite a bit of hairspray actually, just to lock everything in place, so everything stays exactly in one spot and doesn't move or flop around while I'm at the gym. Again, I finger combed my hair back for that slightly bumpy texture. And that was it. This one was actually, quite easy. Definitely a great, fierce, and solid look for the gym. Also, for those of you that are new, I've strictly only been using the Shampoo Activating Oil Cleanser to wash my hair. It's basically a healthy shampoo that never dries out or damages your hair, and it only washes away dirt and excess oil, giving you soft, strong, and amazing quality hair.
Wow, this shit's crazy.
So that is it, you all. Hope you are enjoying the hairstyle updates. As always, before we finish off this video, today's inspirational message of the day is based on dreams. Simple as that. Now, this is something I really wanted to talk about today because when you have a good solid dream, the enemy will attack you until you eventually give up. Now, the enemy could be fear, it could be doubtful thinking, negativity. It could be the devil himself. Whatever the case, we must recognize these things as our worst enemy and show no mercy to them. Just like soldiers out in battle, right? I mean, I believe we're no different. You must show no mercy. Whenever the enemy tempts us to give in to this negativity, we must stand firm and destroy these thoughts. Me personally, I have been working on some specific projects and dreams of mine for the last few years, and I can't tell you how many times the enemy has tried to convince me to just give up on a daily basis. In fact, that's what's inspired me to write this message today, is because I have been more attacked than ever recently, it seems like. Yet no matter what, I have constantly been having to tell myself to show no mercy and to destroy these thoughts immediately. So all in all, you guys, always remember that any dream worth having will take everything you got. So give it your all and show no mercy till you get there. I hope that message helped you guys out today. If you dug this video, please give it a nice big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and hit that notifications button if you want to be informed when I drop my next video. Be sure to stay updated as I continue to grow out my hair, and I'll see you guys very soon. My name is Drexler. Shaka bro.